Whenever Supriya heard the news of someone she knew was admitted to the hospital, she would get stunned. The hefty expenses of hospital used to scare her. She never knew when a similar incident could happen with her family. The income of Supriya, who was the sole breadwinner in the family, was not enough that she could spend much on health insurance. Supriya got a family floater plan of Rs 5 lakh from her company, but she knew that it was not enough in this inflation. A super top-up health insurance policy can help lakhs of people like Supriya. So, let us know about super top-up. Nisha Sanghvi, co-founder Promore, explains that super top-up policy offer more coverage at a lower cost. Most of the insurance companies offer super top-up policies. This gives you coverage in addition to your existing health insurance cover. When the cost of treatment increases, this policy covers that additional cost.
Super Top-Up is a type of extension that you buy on your existing or new base health insurance cover. Super Top-Up coverage starts when your base plan amount is exhausted. You can buy Super Top-Up from the company from which you have purchased the base plan or from any other company. Let us understand with an example. Suppose you have a health insurance cover of 3 lakh rupees and you want to increase your cover. In such a situation, you can buy a super top-up plan of 10 lakh rupees. This way, in a year, you can cover expenses up to 3 lakh rupees from your base cover, and if your medical bill crosses 3 lakh rupees, then the super top-up plan will act as an extension. You will be able to cover the expenses up to the next 10 lakh rupees.
Sanghvi says that customers should take a base and super top-up policy from the same company. What's the use of it? Let us know by example. Suppose you have a base policy from the same company with a cover of 3 lakh and super top-up policy with a cover of 2 lakh, and you have to bear the claim of 5 lakh. So, the entire 5 lakh rupee payment will be cashless. On the other hand, if the base and super top-up policy are from different companies, then after the discharge of super top-up policy, you have to pay the claim through reimbursement by submitting the necessary documents.
Here the question might pop up in your mind. Is it necessary to have a health insurance policy to take a super top-up policy? So the answer is no. Even if you do not have a health insurance policy, you can buy a super top-up policy as well. However, in such a situation, you will have to bear the cost of base cover out of your own pocket. Only after that, the cover of super top-up will start. Therefore, having a base health insurance policy will be very beneficial for you.
You can cover yourself, your spouse and children in a super top-up policy. You can also take this policy on a family floater basis. Now, Money9 suggests take a super top-up policy for more coverage at low premiums. Policy will significantly increase the insurance coverage given by the employer. You can take this policy on a family floater basis. Better to take base and super top-up policy from the same company. Before signing off, in Red Alert, know what are the factors to be kept in mind while taking a super top-up policy.